Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're enjoying your holidays. If you don't celebrate, I'm just happy that you're here to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to share my 3 favorite GitHub projects for beginning programmers. So if you're a beginning programmer, this is a good way to get excited about programming. It's a wonderful time to be interested in programming because all the information sharing, I get a lot of stuff from YouTube and also GitHub. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite GitHub projects, and then comment, let me know if you like these projects or if you found some other interesting projects that you want to work on. So whenever I get bored, what I do is I go to github.com/trending, and here's a great place to find good projects. You can sort by the stars, you can group by a particular language if you like, or whatever's been trending last month. So this is a great place to find them. The first project I'm going to show you is by a guy who made a tutorial, and this has been forked several times. It started in JavaScript, then went to Python, and this one is to order a pizza through the Domino's API. And this is a really fun way to just learn about APIs and learn about Python and libraries and how to import and use some function. I'm going to do a quick demo of this project and then briefly go over the other 2 projects later on in the video. So the README is pretty straightforward. Basically, here's the setup steps. You have to download Python, you have to clone the repo down to your directory, and then you're ready to go. So let's go over some of the quick steps, and I'll just kind of explain how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the program, and I'm going to import the library. This is code that's already been written for you. You're just calling the libraries from the GitHub. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to set the customer function. And this is basically the name, the email, the phone number. This is your information that Domino's needs to deliver a pizza. Then the next bit of information is where to find your store closest to you. So based on the last information of customer info, you're going to find the closest store. So if we do set that and we call it, now you're going to get a Domino's that's closest to you. Then we're going to grab the menu from that local Domino's through this API. Then we're going to search the menu. We're going to find out if they have, and you can use many search terms. In this case, just did Coke, or you don't need a search term. And you can find all the different items on the menu, and it's basically going to return a code. And this code is what you need to add to your order. So you see all these different codes, and then what we're going to do is add to our order. So let's do an example here. We're going to begin the order, and then we're going to add one of these here. And then as you add, you have a lot of these options here that you can also include with different options to that particular item. So if we do order, we're going to see one item has been added. You can also remove an item from your basket or from your cart. And then next thing is you can set the credit card. This is not a real credit card, sorry, but it's just an example. This is actually not going to work. And then the last step is go ahead and order place. You set your order and you'll go ahead and order. I won't actually go through the steps because it's going to air out, but you get the idea. So that's kind of the basics of what you can do with some of this GitHub project. All right, the next project is I was looking for a good quick code challenge. A lot of code challenges out there. This gentleman did a snake game in under 5 minutes. So I thought this would be interesting. To do a challenge like this, you kind of have to prepare, but it's fun to look and see how they did it. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So as you see in this one, it's only about 58 lines of code, and he does it in under 5 minutes. I'll include the link to this project. Let's just quickly run through it. So here's what he was able to do in just a short 5 minutes. If you're just getting started in a program, one of the best things to do is just play a game, a basic game that is really simple to understand. Try it out, see what you think. Maybe try a game that you're really interested in. This one's pretty popular, so you can copy, learn from the pros. The last video also comes with a video tutorial. This one I thought was very fun and interesting. It's the matrix terrain code. They even have a GIF to kind of show you what it's all about. First you draw your background with this is a form of Japanese character. You do the character, and then you start doing the string of characters, and then you do the many lines of string of characters. So 3 big steps in completing this program. It's not too difficult. This is written in JavaScript. Let me show you real quick. Here's the program. It's under 100 lines of code. It takes about an hour to go through the tutorial and create your own. But also the fun part about it is you can make this whatever you want. You can make new images, resize it, make it go a different direction, put in flowers, whatever you think is interesting. And what my plan to do is put this on make the animated GIF of my own and put it in the background of either a video or a picture. So that's really it for this short video. I just wanted to share some fun projects. And in the next coming videos, I plan to share anything that I come across that I'm either building or grabbing from, contributing. That's how GitHub works. It's just a friendly place to share code. So I hope that you enjoy that. And let me know your comments or some of your favorite projects. It'd be fun to exchange those. See you in the next coding video. Cheers.